Hi guys, today's video, as you can see from the title, is how to get your watch hours fast, like very fast. I'm not scripting this video, I'm just going to be pouring it out from my heart the way it comes. So if you're in that space of doing YouTube for 3 years or more and you're not monetized, or you're in that space of you have done it for some time, you got frustrated and you even abandoned it, like you have an abandoned channel, this is the time to wake up. Or you are in the space like me, trying to find the fit and trying to reach the monetization within a year and we're already 6 months gone. Listen attentively. Live streaming, silent live streaming is the key. I'm not just coming out here to say it because I just want to talk. I'm coming out to say it because I have tried it and it is working. I'm still trying it. It's still working for me. I've seen so many channels monetize very shortly in recent times by using silent live stream. I've talked about live streaming in one of my videos, which you'll be seeing popping up here. The importance of doing live stream. Any type of live stream at all gives you a lot of watch hours. So if you have not started live streaming and you're on this YouTube and you want to get monetized, I don't know what you are waiting for, honestly. And I don't even see how you want to manage it or how you want to get to that money. I'm not saying that long form videos are not good. That's not what I'm saying. That works. I'm in support of you pumping out long form videos at every time that you can. But I'm telling you that if you want to get your 4,000 watch hours quickly, jump on silent live stream now. If you can do physical, it's all right. But of course, you know that your time and your effort is needed because your face needs to be shown, you need to be talking and all that. But if you are doing a silent live stream, you don't need your face anywhere. You only need a video out there. If you want to chat with the audience, you can as well still be chatting with your face not showing. All you need is a catchy video, regardless of your niche. Anybody can do this just to get your watch hours. Get a very good video. You can use Restream.io, Restream.io. That is what I use, and this has really been helpful. I can tell you for a fact that the watch hours I have gained for the past 3 to 4 days that I have been doing this live stream, I had never gotten it before. I mean, what's the point? Working hard and not working smart. There's really no point. So if you have been sleeping on this, or you have been thinking that people will think that I'm copying them, you can copy me. I'm also copying people. It can be very funny, but let me tell you the truth. This Restream helps. If you have been sleeping on it, jump on this trend right now. All you need to do is to get a catchy video, a very good video that is entertaining or relaxing, that people really want to see. A video that is in the vertical shape that will go into the short feed and attract lots and massive views for you. But most importantly, it has to be something entertaining or something relaxing, something people really want to see. Get that video, edit it the way you can. If it's not your own prepared video, try to edit it. At least mute the sound on the video and put your own sound on it through CapCut. Or probably you can even leave it with no sound at all. Just make sure that you put the name of your channel on it and also the title of the video. Restream it. Loop the video and restream it. This will keep going and going and going for hours, for as long as you want it. This really helps. I tell you the truth. I've tried it for the past 3 to 4 days and this has really helped me. Another thing about this restreaming, about this silent live stream, why I really love it is because I've not even been able to get myself to do a proper video for a while or for some days now. But guess what? I've been doing silent live stream with no stress. I've been doing silent live stream sleeping on my bed and getting views. So it doesn't matter if you're not up to it to be able to do a proper video. There is a way. Before you come back to yourself and be able to, gather yourself to do other things, you are already restreaming and you're getting your watch hours. Your watch hour is rolling in. Your views are skyrocketing. This is very, very important. If you have not started doing this silent live stream, please go and get married to it. This is the truth. This is what people are using now. This is really working for me, and I'm not a selfish person. That is why I've come here to share with you, just in case you have not noticed the trend that is going on this YouTube streets. This is what is trending. Go and check it out. People are using silent live stream to monetize anyhow now. Just make sure you are doing it very well. Your watch hours will be complete, and you can apply for your monetization in a very short space of time. I promise you, so long as you can do this steadfastly. Some people are even getting 2,000 watch hours just from one video, depending on how catchy your video is. Do you understand? So this is how much silent live stream is really helping people's lives. And what more do you want? The ultimate goal for every value you are giving is that you are able to have extra source of income. That is the ultimate goal. Let nobody come to deceive you to say, oh, I'm just doing it because it's my passion. Yeah, it's passion. Yes, I love the YouTube space, but I need an extra income. That is why I'm here, and I know that is why every other person is here. So if you really want to get monetized in 2024 or even 2025, go and start your silent live stream and come back to thank me. So I'm going to be showing you quickly how you can go on the Restream site and do your live stream. So if you are interested in this silent live stream, join me in this very short tutorial. So guys, if you want to do your silent live stream, all you need to do is to go on to Restream.io. Just type in Restream.io and then make sure you link your channel to it. It's going to tell you to link up your channel. Just to ensure that you link up your channel. After linking up your channel, it brings you to a place where you can enter into the studio, as you can see here. So guys, you have to enter the studio, and once you have entered the studio, allow microphone. It will tell you allow access to microphone and camera. Allow it, but make sure that you put off the camera and the microphone so that it doesn't interfere with what you are doing. And so for this tutorial, I already have a video here. You just choose a scene and add a video to it. Okay, so this is the video I have here. For you to upload a video here, you can go here to video, and then you can click upload here where it's showing photo library. Also note that for the free version, only 3 videos are allowed here. Once you have 3 videos here and you want to upload, it will not go except you delete 1 or 2 videos before you can upload another video. So for the purpose of this video, of this tutorial, I'm using this same video. So what you need to do is to click on the video and click on the 3 arrows here. Make sure you loop the video. Ensure it is on loop. The reason why it needs to be on loop is because if the video is 1 minute long and you have gone live, it will end after 1 minute. But if you loop it, it will keep repeating itself until whenever you are tired of the live stream and you want to end it. After you have looped the video, make sure it is on vertical mode like this, and then click on go live. When you click on go live, put a befitting title. You can add some hashtags and click next. As you can see here, this same video you are about to stream live can be streamed on all your other platforms, but I'm not interested in that. I'm just interested in YouTube, and that's why my YouTube icon is on here, and then you can click on start streaming. I will not be streaming because I just want to show you what it is. So very important thing to note is that you can get free videos from pexel.com, or if you want to use videos from IG, make sure they are not on YouTube to avoid copyright issues. And also make sure you edit the videos properly from CapCut. Remove the sound, add your own sound either from YouTube audio library or from Sound FX. Add your own sound to it. and put your channel name and also put a repeating title on it. Try to use videos that don't have people's faces. So try to edit it properly to avoid copyright issues, and also be patient. If you do the first one and it's not giving you results, try it again and again, and try it at different times. About 2 weeks ago when I tried it, I didn't get much views, so I abandoned it. Once I started seeing different channels being monetized in a very short time, between a week ago, I saw about 3 channels being monetized due to this restreaming. Then I had to think back, and I started again about 4 days ago, and I have been seeing results. That is why I have come here to say this. So please, if you have not started this, jump on it. So now that you know how to go onto the Restream.io and start your silent live stream, there's nothing stopping you anymore. Go and start with immediate effect and thank me later. So if you have found this video very helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it to all those who need it, and please subscribe to this channel for more growth tips for your channel. And until I see you in my next video, bye.